Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. Binance Coin, one of the strongest charts out there, not only in the short term, but also one that never really got to long-term key support levels here. I mean, I don't know of any other coin that hasn't actually reached the 78.6% fib level in this current larger correction. Yeah, BNB could avoid it. And we have really only briefly broken the 61.8 fib level here at 270. That's also exactly where we're currently finding support. So we're trolling the 61.8% fib level at the moment. But yeah, this is currently where we are. And it's one of the strongest coins out there. Talked about that before in the very short term. However, things are a bit unclear. We could drop lower and we could maybe even get to that 78.6% fib level. The reason is that the movement of the June low, so in June we came down to 185. We've been moving up in a wave 1, talked about that, but only sort of as a diagonal pattern. These are never super reliable. Then we came down in what I believe is a WXY pattern. That's possible, but yeah, the thing is we are dancing on support. We are dancing on support, and this support box for this wave 2, which consists of W, an overshooting wave X and Y, this goes down all the way to 215. If it goes below the 215. If it drops below the 215 level, then I think we're going to retest the June low, which is at 182, and then the 78.6% fib level at $155. Should we lose this level in the end as well, it wouldn't even be super bearish, but we would need to be on the side of caution. But then we could still come down to the 88.7% fib level, the $84 level. That's a massive crash from here, but other coins are there already. ADA is at the 88.7% fib level. Solana has dropped below the 88.7% fib level. So just to understand where we are, even Ethereum is currently basically at the 78.6% fib level. So BNB shows some strength, but in the very short term, because we are sort of dancing on this support level here, and we have come down very strongly, and we've basically come down to the wave W low as well. My view is that this is a wave Y and we come down a bit lower. That would be ideal, yeah. Especially with an overshooting wave X, you want to go a bit lower in the wave Y than the wave W, and key support here within this area, I'd be looking at somewhere around the 240 level for this. And from then we could move up in a wave 3. The orange count here is a bullish potential which currently still exists. The market could deliver on that, but really it needs to move up now. I think I mentioned it in the previous video. Either it breaks now or it moves. What does it do? It goes sideways. No, just joking. Of course, things take a bit of time. But the point is, it must not drop below, to be exact, the $261.50 level. Because if it does, this 1-2 setup will be invalidated. It has already become very unlikely because if we look at how much did we dropped to the 88.7% fib level, even briefly below that. Now technically that doesn't invalidate a 1-2 setup, but it just gets less likely if it drops too much in a wave 2. But yeah, that's where we are at the moment. There is some bullish potential here, but to get some evidence about that, I want to see a smaller 5-wave move to the upside, which I don't see yet. And we have pulled back to key support. You need to know that because this means that it is a valid long trade setup here in a 1-2 setup, where we could look possibly in a wave 3 at the target of around about $350. Yeah. But again, it's not high confidence, and the reason is because we have pulled back too much in a wave 2. There are better charts out there, like Chili's, for example. Chili's was an entry point as well. The point is always when you pull back deep into support like this one, you can set a stop loss quite tight. So it is a valid long trade setup. If it doesn't work out, not a big deal, because the stop loss was set really tight, And that if we drop below this 261 level, we're probably going to come down to 240. Yeah, but that's my update about BNB. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.